Hey guys, in this video you'll learn how to add multiple accounts to your TikTok app. It's super simple, so if you appreciate this video, give it a like and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos just like this. So let's start. First, what you have to do is go to the Me section at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now when you're at your profile, click on your name at the top and now click on Add Account. Now you can log in. If you already have an account, you can sign up with Facebook or your Google profile. Let's sign up with Facebook, for example. And now if you don't have a profile, it will ask you for a birthday. Let's choose around the birthday, and you know how to log in. It will give you a username, and that's basically how you do it. If you appreciate this video, give it a like and don't forget to subscribe for more videos just like this. See you in the next one.